Hello everyone. We will see how we can configure GitHub with the VS Code today. So let me open my VS Code, and there are different options you will see. So we will directly go to extension. We need to download some extension to configure the GitHub. Those who are not aware what is GitHub, most of you may know, but those who are not aware, let me tell you what exactly is GitHub. So GitHub is a web-based platform that provides you a wide range of features related to software development and version control. So it's very popular for the developers and teams to work on a software project. So you will see some different kind of features in GitHub, like version control. GitHub is built around the Git version control system. Also, you have heard about like lots of repository terms. So in GitHub, repository is often referred as repo, is a container for a project. Different teams can collaborate together, and you can have different features like pull request, merge. So this is all about GitHub. This is our VS Code. So what we are going to do, we will search for GitHub extension. Let me type it fully. We will need three extension. First one is GitHub pull request and issues, and second one will be GitHub code space, and we also will need GitHub repository. So let me install all of these three. First one is this one, then code space, and then repository. So wait for this. You will see one more option, that is remote explorer. Let me click on that, and it will ask you to sign in to the GitHub. Once I click on sign in option, it will take me to another tab of the Chrome, where it will ask me to authorize. You have to select your GitHub profile, and once you click on the GitHub profile, it will ask you to authorize Visual Studio Code to access your GitHub account. Clicking on that, now I think that is fully set up. So you have already configured your GitHub account. Now we will see some function that we can use as a GitHub command, or first step that we're gonna see is how can we clone the repo that is already present in your GitHub account. So let me show you my GitHub account. You can have better idea. This is my GitHub account, and there are 4 repo that you can see here. So we can try cloning one of the repository here. So let's say visualization. I'm clicking on that, and what I will do, I will copy HTTPS link for my project, copied, and again come back to your VS Code, then click on clone repo. It will ask you provide repository URL or pick repository source. So I am providing the URL. Select the repository destination. So we have already created one folder, that is ABC. I am selecting that folder, open here only. So clicking on that, now you can see my repo has been cloned in my local. So you will see different file and folder here, HTML file, RMD, the same in my GitHub account. So here you can see both are same, both are same here. Now we have cloned our repository. So the second thing that we can try is how can we push the changes that has been done on the local, and we can push it to the GitHub account. So let's say I'm opening my readme.md file. Let's say I'm making one more change, which is project updated on 28th October 2023. Now I will see how can we push the changes into GitHub account repository. So first of all, I need to save it, Control S. Now once I do Control S, that means I have saved my changes, and you will see one more option here, that is M. M means I have modified this file. Also I can see the same in this tab. So you will see whatever changes I have made these will be appearing here. So there are different options. You can see plus sign if you want to discard those changes, you want to open file, or that m symbols means this is the modified file. So what you need to do first, you have to add this. Now we have already added this file by click on the symbol plus, means there is no file to add now, but you have stage changes which you have recently added in the stage area. Now we will be committing this. The second step is committing. So we can put a message like this is the commit, or I would say first commit. Clicking on the commit changes. Now there is nothing to commit. Now we will go to three dot and we'll push those changes into GitHub repo. Now you can see there is something running. That means it is trying to push those changes. I think those changes has been pushed into my GitHub account. You can see here. Let me refresh it. Okay, so you can see this line has been updated. Project updated on 28th October 2023. That means you have successfully uploaded changes. So this is for the video. See you in the next. Thank you.